guide you through setting up Meta Business Manager, avoiding frustrating permission errors and security risks. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, understand the difference between Meta Business Manager and Meta Business Suite. Business Manager is the admin backend for linking assets and security. Business Suite is the front-end dashboard you use for scheduling posts and answering messages. Now, before we start, confirm you have an active Facebook page, a reliable business email, and a personal Facebook profile. These are the basic assets needed to build your command center. To begin, navigate to business.facebook.com/overview. Click the Create a Business Portfolio button to begin the setup. If you don't see it, click the drop-down under Meta Business Suite and select Create a Business Portfolio. We are creating your primary separate business command center. Enter your official business name, your personal name, and your work email address. Click Create. Crucially, check your email immediately and click the confirmation link to fully activate your account. The next step is to link core business assets, which is like gathering your business keys in a secure central vault. To do this, click the Settings gear icon to open the business settings. In the left-hand menu, click directly on Pages. Click Add a Page, then select Add an existing Facebook page or create a new Facebook page. Next, click Instagram Accounts in the menu, then click the Add button. Agree to Meta's terms, then click Add Instagram Account. Then, log into your Instagram profile and select the account you wish to connect to the Facebook Business Manager. Next, click Add Accounts on the left. Click the blue Add button, then select Create a New Ad Account and complete the form to create a new advertising engine under your business's control. Remember, once you claim an asset, it is permanently linked to this business manager. Now, navigate to Users, then click People. Click Invite People and enter your team member's business email. Click Next and complete the process to assign them specific assets and roles which grant them access only to the tools they need to perform their jobs. Now, go to the left side menu, scroll down, and click Security Center. Click the Get Started prompt to enforce two-factor authentication to protect your valuable business assets from unauthorized access and hacking. Next, for essential ad campaign preparation, click Billing and Payments in the left side menu. From the new page that pops up, click Payment Methods. Then select the Add button beside Add Business Payment Method. Then, enter your card details, because you must have a payment method linked before running any advertisements. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.